Good morning. And tires are not bad. What?
That's the music share.
We are not even connected, I think.
Yeah.
Southbound again. Don't know if I'm gonna leaving home. Southbound again. Don't know if I'm gonna leave it home. Boys about to keep moving. Seem like the boys by rule. So every single time.
140 cutting, sir.
150. Cheese sandwich time. 140 टिम्सन मध्ये तो ऑफ रोड वाला आहे नॉबी.
150 80 18 अजून एक आहे ना पुढं काढून संपून टाकायचं का?
रेड बुल गिव्स यू विंग्स. What is the safest way to shoulder?
Ease down. Don't go on it.
Good answer. And if both the trucks are not moving only.
How can that be possible? Then there will be some police wala guy. In that case, he will give you direction and follow that direction. It's amazing.
Amazing. Amazing. Very, very. क्या बोलता हूँ? Really amazing.
That's the word.
Roll across the rolling river Tyne. Every single time. Roll across the rolling river Tyne. Look at the same old feeling.
ऐसा करेंगे तो डिफिकल्ट होता है ऐसे बोलो. We have the entire day to reach Khammam.
Khammam.
But that doesn't mean that you shouldn't reach early.
See, we'll reach Khammam by 5.
No. 6, 7. Okay.
If we stop for biryani in Hyderabad, then we'll reach at.
Difficult situation. I would suggest we stop at some KFC McD on the highway.
Where in Hyderabad?
हाँ.
Hyderabad KFC must be having biryani, no?
है ना वो राइस बाउल ही नहीं है. पहली बात मैं बोल रहा है कि हैदराबाद में अपन किधर भी खाने को रुकेंगे 1 घंटा तो जाएगा.
2 घंटा.
1 घंटा जाएगा और उसके बाद ट्रैफिक बढ़ेगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू क्रॉस हैदराबाद एंड देन
Now next stop will take आता किती वाजले?
9 वाजले.
9 वाजले.
आता 10:30 ला एक स्टॉप.
हाँ.
10:30 ला
11
11:30 ला स्टॉप.
तू बोली की थांबणार ना पण.
I'm moving down the line. Every time. up and you hold everything. A band is blowing Dixie, double fall time. You feel alright when you hear the music ring. Well, now you step inside, but you don't see too many faces. Coming in out of the rain, they hear the jazz go down. Competition in other places, but the horns, they blowing that sound. Way on down south, way on down south, London town. You check out Guitar George, he knows all the chords. But it's strictly rhythm, he doesn't want to make it cry or sing. If then an old guitar is all he can afford, when he gets up under the lights to play his thing. And Harry doesn't mind if he doesn't make the scene. He's got a daytime job, he's doing alright. He can play the honky-tonk like anything, saving it up Friday night with the Sultans, with the Sultans of Swing. Young boys, they're fooling around in the corner, drunk and dressed in their best brown baggies in their platform soles. They don't give a damn about any trumpet playing band. It ain't what they call rock and roll. And the Sultans, yeah, the Sultans, they play Creole. Creole.
Are we good?